Okay, welcome to the high level back class. We'll be going through a few exercises to help stretch out and strengthen your lower back. We'll spend about a minute on each exercise with 30 seconds rest between, and we'll go through each exercise twice. Okay, so we'll start off with a few stretches just to warm up, mainly static and some dynamic stretches. Then we'll get into the circuit where we'll do some more intense stretches for your lower back, and then after that, we'll get into some strengthening exercises and finish off with a small cool down. Okay, so just to begin with, just going to loosen up, just shake off all your limbs. Brilliant. And you're going to bring your feet just wider than shoulder width. Okay, you're just going to lean out to one side and put some weight down on that bent knee. So just hold this position here for a few seconds. Okay, come back up, and then you're going to do the same on the other side. Brilliant. Perfect. Then you're just going to put your heel into the ground, point your toes up, and you're just going to lower your upper body as far down as you can on that straight leg. Come back up, and then we'll do that again. Brilliant. Other leg now, same on the other side, all the way down as far as you can, and then come back up. Perfect. One more time. Brilliant. Okay, shake it up again. Okay, you're going to stand with your feet shoulder width again, just wider, hand on your hips, and just rotating in a circle. Just opening up your hips. Brilliant. Just going to change direction now. So same on the other side, just going the other way around. Brilliant. Back to the middle. Just going to slide down one side, try and touch the side of your knee, and then slide down the other. Try not to lean forward as you do it. Keep nice and upright. Perfect. Okay, bring your hands across your chest. You're just going to lean back as far as you can. Okay, then lean forward as far as you can. Brilliant. One more time. And then forwards. Perfect. Back up. Just going to twist and face one side of the room. Twist and face the other. One more time. In the middle, and then you're just going to drop down one side as far as you can and drop down the other as far as you can. One more time. Yeah, shake it off again. Okay, just to warm up the heart rate and increase the heart rate. We're just going to march on the spot. So just marching on the spot just for the next few seconds, and then we'll get started on the stretches. Increase the speed just a little bit. Another few seconds. 3, 2, 1, and shake it off again. Brilliant. Okay, we'll get started on our exercise now. Again, 1 minute on each exercise, and we'll go through each exercise twice. So the first one's going to be a thoracic side lying stretch. Okay, so I'll show you how to do it. Just going to go on your side. Okay. You're going to tuck your knees in as much as you can. The more you can tuck your knees in, the more you'll feel the stretch. Just going to bring your arms out like this, and you're going to open up as far as you can. Okay, so open up your whole upper body. Okay, try not to let your legs move, and try and get your chest to face the ceiling. Hold this for about 3 to 5 seconds, and then close up. Okay, so we're just going to do this repeated movement for a full minute. Okay. Okay, a minute from now. So keep it going, nice and slow. Really control. Just open up as far as you can. "15 seconds in. I'm halfway now. Last 15 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Brilliant. We're going to do the same on the other side now. So get into position. Okay. And same again. We're going to go for another minute from now. So open up, try and get your chest to face the ceiling, and then close back up. Brilliant. 15 seconds in. Okay, we're halfway now. Last 15 seconds coming up. Okay, and relax. Perfect. So that's the first stretch done. The next stretch that we're going to do is a child's pose. Okay. So you're going to go on all fours. Okay, so going on your knees and going on your hands. Okay, try and keep your hands in the same position. So don't let your hands slide down the mat at all. Okay, keep your hands planted, and all you're going to do is bring your lower body all the way back as far as you can. Hold for a few seconds and then come back up to neutral. Okay, so again, all the way back as far as you can, and then all the way back up to neutral. Okay, gonna go for a full minute. 3, 2, 1. And just to make it easier for you, as you go back, take a deep breath out, then breathe in as you come up. Just to give you a bit more room for movement. So breathe out as you go down. Breathe in as you come up. Perfect. Keep it going, we're halfway. Last 10 seconds. And relax. Perfect. 30 seconds rest, and then we're going to do that again. Okay, this time I want you to bring your feet a little bit closer together. So if I show you from the front, before we was doing it like this time you're going to bring your feet together and do the same thing. Okay. Perfect. We're going to go again. Get into position, so feet together. Same principle, hands stays flat, and breathe out as you go down and breathe in as you come up. 3, 2, 1. All the way down as far as you can. Then come back up. Just working on that core stability now. Halfway now, keep it going. Last 10 seconds. And relax. Perfect. Okay. Next exercise we're going to do is a lumbar flexion stretch in supine. So you're going to lie on your back. Okay, all you're going to do for this exercise is you're bringing your knee towards your chest actively, and then you're passively going to bring your knee towards your chest as far as you can. Okay. Bring that leg back down And then the same on the other side. Pulling your knee towards your chest as far as you can. All I want you to do is make sure that the bottom of your back doesn't come off of the mat. Okay, so keep your back on the mat. We'll do this for a full minute. Okay, 30 seconds rest, and then we'll do it again. 3, 2, 1. All the way towards you. Hold. And then back down. Same on the other side. Back down. Halfway. And relax. Perfect. 30 seconds rest, and we're going to do that again. Okay. Same principle, leg towards you, hold, and then same on the other side. Okay. We're going to go again. 3, 2, 1. Last 15 seconds. And relax. Perfect. 30 seconds rest. Okay. Next exercise, we're going to go prone for. So you're going to go on your stomach. Okay. So you're going to go all the way down on your stomach. Place your arms by your side like this. Okay. And all you're doing is raising your head up. Okay. And pushing off your elbows. You should feel a stretch in your lower back at this point, but if you don't, then you're going to push off of your hands as much as you can. Okay. Just to hold it there for 3 to 5 seconds, and then nice and slow on the way down. Okay, and then repeat. Try and make sure your hips don't come off of the ground. Okay, so we don't want you to do this. That's a different exercise. Keep your head up. Okay, but keep your hips on the ground, like so. We'll do this for a full minute, 30 seconds rest, and then another minute. Try not to push through the stretch. So when you first feel the stretch, hold it there for 3 to 5 seconds. Okay, 3, 2, 1. As far as you can go. If you can go on your hands, then go on your hands. If not, then just rest on your elbows. That's it. Keep it going. Another 15 seconds. And relax. Perfect. 30 seconds rest and we'll do it again. Okay, same principle. This time just to give you a little bit more flexibility and movement freedom. All you're going to do is as you go up, take a deep breath out and then go back down. Okay, so take a deep breath out as you're holding that position. Otherwise, same principle, push as much as you can go. 3, 2, 1. Last 20 seconds. And relax. Perfect. Okay. We're going to get onto some core strengthening exercises now, just to support your back a little bit more. The first one, you're going to go back into supine. So back on your back. Okay, we're going to do a straight leg raise. So simply flat on your back, raise your leg up as far as you can, keep your knees straight, and then lower your leg slowly. Okay, same on the other side. Really lower your leg slowly. Try not to let your hips move or lift off as you do this. Okay, should feel a little bit of an impact in your tummy muscles. We're going to go for a full minute and then we'll have 30 seconds rest and go for another minute. 3, 2, 1. Nice and slow, really controlled. As high up as you can. Remember, you want to keep your legs straight. Try not to bend your knee. If your knee's bending, it might mean you're bringing your leg too far up. So work within your range. Keep it going another 20 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Perfect. We're going to do that again. This time we're going to add a variation just to make it harder. If you are managing well, bring your leg up. As you bring it down before it reaches the ground, bring the other leg up. Okay, so before it reaches the ground, you change over just to engage your tummy muscles a little bit more. Okay, that's if you're managing well. Otherwise, simple, raise your leg up and raise your leg down. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Halfway. Last 15 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Perfect. Last exercise before we start a cool down. Okay. So we're going to do a bird dog. All that looks like is you're going to raise your arm and bring up the opposite leg. Okay, so your leg comes out as your arm comes out. Okay, as you bring your leg out, try not to let it come above your back. Okay, It's a simple extension away from the body. Same time, your arm goes out. So the full movement looks like this. Come back in, really controlled. Nice and slow. Try not to tip side to side, okay? And make sure you're using the opposite limbs just to keep your stability. We're gonna go for 4 minutes, okay? Then we'll have another minute and finish off with a cool down. 3, 2, 1. Thirty seconds gone. Last 10 seconds. And relax. Perfect. 30 seconds rest, and then we're going to do that one more time. Okay, same principle, nice and controlled. Last exercise, and then we'll start a cool down. 3, 2, 1. Thirty seconds gone. Last 10 seconds. Relax. Perfect. Well worked. That's the end of the circuit. Okay, we'll start a little bit of a cool down now. So just to begin, just loosen up as much as you can. Okay, we'll go for a few stretches. So feet just wider than shoulder width again. We're going to make a dynamic movement of the groin stretch. So lean out to one side and then just lean out to the other, just side to side. Perfect. Back to the middle. Put your heel into the ground, just going up and down. Other side, same principle. Heel into the ground, point your toes up, just go up and down. Feet just wider than shoulder width again. Just going in a circular motion. Change direction. Back to the middle, just going side to side. As across your chest, just lean back as far as you can. And lean forward. Come back to the middle and twist side to side. Perfect. Just shake it off again. Okay, gonna finish off with some deep breaths. So in through your nose, out through your mouth. In through your nose, out through your mouth. In through your nose, out through your mouth. And last one, big one. Brilliant, perfect. Well, works. That's the end of the circuit. Okay, get plenty of recovery and we'll see you in your next session.